Okay guys, so now we're going to move on to creating backlinks for your website to give it a little bit more power and to get it to rank. Now we're going to do this in two stages. Stage 1 will be a little bit more weaker backlinks, and stage 2 is where we get the more stronger backlinks. And guys, I can't stress this enough. Please do this in stages. If you skip straight to stage 2 and start generating more powerful backlinks, Google will realize straight away and won't rank you at all. Because think about it, it's not natural to get the more powerful backlinks without starting off with getting the weaker backlinks. Trust me, it's something you don't want to do. You put a lot of time into SEO and you don't want to easily screw it up just by going straight to stage 2. Please do this step by step and take your time. So you might be thinking, what are backlinks? Backlinks is when someone links back to your website. So if someone clicks on this, they instantly go to your website. This is a backlink, a link to your website from another site. The more backlinks you get and the more strong and powerful the backlinks are, the better it is for your website. So how does this all work? How do we start to get backlinks? We're going to start off with stage 1, the easy to get backlinks. These are the backlinks that you want to go for when you're first starting out. Like I said, it's very important to start slowly and not jump the gun, or else Google will realize and they won't rank you. So with the first stage, I'm going to be going through the following methods. Social signals. Social signals on Facebook and Pinterest are one of the main factors that Google looks at. They want to see their website is being shared on social media networks. I will show you how and where to get these from. Block comment backlinks. These are very easy to do. I'll show you exactly how to do them. And I'll also be showing you core links. I'll show you exactly what they are and exactly how they work. These are the 3 methods that we are going to be getting backlinks from in stage 1. What you want to focus on is not only get those backlinks to your homepage, but also get them to other web pages on your website or even blogs or articles. This will show Google that you're getting traffic evenly across your website and it will look very natural. So make sure you diversify your link profile. So in the next video, we're going to dive into blog comments and I'm going to show you the best and easiest way to get backlinks from these blog comments.